Hello children, welcome to your English class. Today we'll see a simple short poem titled Trees by Shirley Bauer. Trees. I need not tell you the importance of trees in our life. Just in one sentence, no life on this planet without trees. And trees are helping us a lot in many ways, without which we just can't imagine our life on this planet. So before we get into the poem, just have a look at the various trees that do a lot of help to us in different ways. Sandalwood tree, sandalwood tree, chandan ki ped, chandanapu chettu, plantain tree, arati chettu, banyan tree, మర్రి చెట్టు, cashew tree, జీడి మామిడి చెట్టు, guava tree, జామ చెట్టు, papaya. Papaya means బొప్పాయి చెట్టు, deodar, దేవదారు చెట్లు, coconut, I need not tell you, jackfruit, పనస, orange, నారింజ, bamboo, you know bamboo, flutes are made of bamboo. Even paper is also made of bamboo. Peepal tree, ravi chettu, tamarind, we get tamarind to eat. Teak wood, all our furniture we make mainly from teak wood. Dates, you know, dates, kharjuram, palm, tati chettu, palm trees. Every part of the palm tree is useful to us in some or the other way. Mango, Falonki Raja, Aam, Mamidi Chettu, and Neem tree. These are the very common trees that we find and know, and there are many trees on this earth which help us in many ways. What are the different kind of things we get from trees? Yes, first thing, they give us oxygen to breathe in. They bring rains down to the earth. Thus, they give us water to drink. They give us vegetables. They give us rice or other pulses. Means they give us food to eat. They give us animals to get flesh because animals depend upon trees. What else? They give us clothes. How do we get clothes? From the cotton they give. Cloth is made, and through cloth we get clothes. If we go on telling like this day, the total day will not be sufficient to tell how the trees are helping us. So trees means life. No life without trees. Now let us see some new words or expressions. Some of you might already know them, and some words or expressions may be new, or let us see whatever it is. Pears. Pears are fruit, some edible fruit, the fruit that we eat, very juicy, gritty textured. You can see the surface with some dots. Uh, these are even they are available in the market today, even in our Hanamkonda or Warangal. Also, we can see these pears fruit. Tree houses. Do you know, children? Even houses are also constructed on trees. Some people they have a great passion to live in tree houses. So houses are made upon trees. Swing on a tree. You know, the most favorite uh, plaything, swing. We tie up the swing to the branch of a tree, and with the help of our friends or siblings, we swing on a tree. The most joyful one. Tea parties. You can see here two friends, little cute friends, are having a tea party under a tree. So, kite caught on a tree. A kite is also there on a tree. You know very well about this. When we fly kites during Sankranti, uh, usually these kites they get caught on trees, teasing us from the top of the tree. Cool shade of a tree. See in the picture, in the midday, bright sunshine, those birds are resting under the cool shade of that gigantic tree. So trees are there for us to give the cool shade. Timber. What is timber? The trees that were cut down into pieces are called timber. We use timber to make the furniture. A beautiful tree. Just to show you how beautiful a tree can be, I added this here. A beautiful tree in front of a house. Yeah, raking. We use a rake. We use a rake. You can see in the picture a rake. Even I have put the name there, plastic leaf rake, with like fingers, hand like rake is there. It can be made with iron or plastic or any metal or wood. Also we can make rakes. So gathering with the help of a rake, gathering all the fallen leaves is called raking leaves. So these are the new words or some expressions that we have in this poem. Now it's time to look at the poem. Trees are for birds. Trees are for children. Trees are to make tree houses in. Trees are to swing swings on. Trees are for the wind to blow through. Trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. Trees are to have tea parties under. Trees are for kites to get caught in. Trees are to make cool shade in summer. Trees are to make no shade in winter. Trees are for apples to grow on and pears. Trees are to chop down and call timber. Trees make mothers say, "What a lovely picture to paint." Trees make fathers say, "What a lot of leaves to rake this fall." This is the short, simple poem written by Shirley Bauer. Trees are for birds. Where do birds live? On trees. They build their nests on trees, or they peck the tree trunk to make the holes in and live in. So trees are for birds. Trees are there to provide shelter for birds. Trees are for children. Why children need trees? Yes, to play under their cool shade. We can play under the trees. We can sit under the cool shade of trees and read or do our homeworks, or we can listen to music or simply lie down and enjoy the cool shade looking at the sky. So trees are for children. Children, they even find a lot of delight when they climb upon trees. Trees ought to make tree houses in. We have seen trees can also hold the houses that we build upon them, tree houses. If there is no tree, there is no tree house. So trees are there so that we can make tree houses. Trees are to swing, swings on. If there are no trees, no swing. Trees are there to swing, swings on. We can swing on a tree. Trees are for the wind to blow through. Yes, even wind also need trees to blow through. Otherwise, it won't find any uh, joy. It gets energy. It gets boosted when it blows through the trees. You can see in the picture right now. Trees are bending to one side in the blowing wind. Trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. And when we play hide and seek outside, trees are the most favorite spots to hide behind. If there are no trees, we cannot play hide and seek. Trees ought to have tea parties under. We can have even parties under trees. On picnic days, usually we prefer a grove or a garden because we have beautiful trees under their cool shade. We enjoy a lot. Trees are for kites to get caught in. Trees sometimes they become even naughty and they catch the kites that we are playing with. Then they make us cry. They tease us holding our kites. See, I have taken your kite. Come and try to take your kite. It is on the top of my branch. They present a challenge before us. Trees are to make cool shade in summer. Trees are to make cool shade in summer. Yes, during summer season, even on a roadside, in streets, people gather under the cool shade of summer. Even AC units, air conditioned units also will not help us so much, but trees, the cool shade that we get under a tree is just beyond our description. We cannot describe how comfortable we feel when we are under the tree, especially on a hot summer day. Trees are to make no shade in winter. Trees are for apples to grow on and pears. Trees are there for many fruits, different types of fruits grow on them. We get the fruits. For that matter, we get even different kinds of colorful flowers also from trees. They only give us fruit, they only give us flowers. Trees are to chop down and call timber. We call when we chop down, when we cut down the trees and make them into pieces and make them into furniture. That cut pieces of trees are called wood or timber. And when our mothers look at the beautiful trees, they say, what a lovely picture to paint. What a beautiful scene it is. It's really nice to paint. And if fathers see what they say, what a lot of leaves to rake this fall. During the fall, during the season, fall, uh, trees, they shed their leaves. So many leaves we find on the ground, and it is father's duty to rake all the leaves, to gather all the leaves with uh, the rake. What is there in it? All simple, simple things. Everything we know. The poet just wants to tell us trees are a part of our life. They are there with us in each and every day. On each and every day, they are there with us. Without trees, there is no life. Hope you enjoyed this poem, Trees. And I'll give you the summary, and your duty is to write your own answers for the given questions in the textbook. Hope you all enjoyed this simple poem, Trees. Thank you. We'll meet again in another session with a new lesson.